so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. I love drawing, and I love animals. Why don't you and I draw an animal today? Why don't we draw an elephant? Wow, elephants are so big. Their ears are big, and even they have a trunk, and it's also big. Okay, I'm gonna take purple, and I'm gonna draw a circle. But I'm gonna leave a gap at the bottom, so then I can draw its trunk. Whoa! There we go. Yeah, and then, whoop, yeah. Check that out. Whoa! The head and the trunk, and then let's draw a small eye right there, and a small circle for an eye right there. There we go. And then what does it have on the side of its head that are really big? Yeah, ears. Whoa! Whoa! There we go. Yeah, elephants have massive ears. And have you ever seen an elephant flap its ears? Yeah, it's pushing the air around to cool it off. Yeah, like a big fan. Whoa. All right, now for the body. Here we go. And then one leg, whoop. And there's another leg. Whoa. There we go. Let's go like that. And now for its feet. There we go. Boop, 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 boop. Whoa! We could even make some lines to give it a little bit more detail. And actually, if we go like this, check that out. Whoa! What a nice looking elephant. Wow. Do you know what the trunk is for? Yeah, it can spray water on itself to cool it off, and it can even pick up things. You know how we use our hands to pick things up? Yeah, elephants can use their trunk to pick things up. What a cool animal. And watch this, I'll give it a smile too. Whoop. Yeah, it's a happy, happy animal. Wow, did you have fun drawing with me? Because I had a lot of fun drawing with you. Whoa, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make love.